Lele la ukhona la ungilalele khona ngalesi sikhathi ngilelo changes Akasha. Let me quickly share this live on my WhatsApp. Wakho yini lo igqokile, yini lena yabo? Kanti mina ngisuke ngifuna ukuthi umuntu afocus kulento engishoyo. Ngicela ningaziseke makuthi i-network mhlambe inokusihlupha, yabo. Ngicela ningazise ngoba i-location yami futhi ishintshile, angikho la engijwayele ukuba khona. So ngicela ningazise makuthi i-network mhlambe iba nama glitches, inokusihlupha lapha nalaphaya. But futhi mayihamba kahle ke ningangitshela futhi Mongameli uthi molo bhuti ndisebhizana emampondweni. Molo, siyanithanda kakhulu lapha eBhizana, sinithanda hure. Molo, ngiyakubingelela, wamukelekile kulo live wanamhlanje. Ya sibona nomuntu omthetho ke laphana, sibona nestar enkanyezi laphana uqhawele ezulu. Masibona lesa star, phela lesa star istar sani sehope, kodwa esigebengwini ke lesa star sisho enye into. Sisho ukuthi impi ke manje siyifaka empini, sisho ukubaleka, sisho izinto eziningi nje, kodwa thina sibona ithemba neprotection masibona lesiya star. Njengoba ngishilo ke nganza wethu ukuthi ngiyocela ukuthi ning-update in terms of i-network makwenzeka ingabe bikho right. Ngiyakujabulela kakhulu lokho. Namhlanje ke ngithanda sikhulume nge-nature of reality. Namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume nge-nature of reality, ukuthi i-reality yini, isebenza kanjani, sihambe nayo to the extent of i-afterlife, this current life, ukuthi i-reality isebenza kanjani. Ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi uma kuwukuthi usuthe ukuhamba isikhathi eside nabantu aba-spiritual awakened, nabantu aba-spiritually enlightened, mhlambe usuyazi ukuthi yonke i-reality ohlangabezana nayo it's a projection of your own mind. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe usuyakwazi lokho, ukuthi awukho umehluko phakathi kwe-reality oyi-experienceayo manje nengqondo yakho. Awukho umehluko, yonke into ohlangabezana nayo empilweni yakho is the projection of your own mind. So ke sizokhuluma ke nge-nature of reality namhlanje, singene nje sigxile, sibe deep, sijule nama-request futhi ngizowathatha uma ukuthi akhona, nemibuzo futhi ngizoyithatha. Ngikubingelele we-Ref B, bingelele ngane yakwethu nawe Star of the Sea. I greet you and I welcome you kulo live namhlanje. Ngithanda ukuthi sijule nganza wethu ke namhlanje. Ngifuna sibe technical namhlanje, ngifuna sibe technical, sijule nge-reality. I-reality ukuze uyi-understand, kumele uqala understand ukuthi ubani wena first, uyini wena, yabo. Uqala understand the nature of what you are, yabo. Not even who you are, because if I say now who you are, sengikhuluma ngezinto ezakho umqondo wakho ukuthi uyizona wena, i-ego, ama-labels. No, I'm talking about what you are, the essence of who you are, of what you are. I mean, the essence of what you are is an energy, is a conscious energy, yabo. That's what you are. Mangikhuluma nge-energy ke la, abanye bathi spirit. Asinayo i-form at all. Ngikhuluma mina, yabona la kwi-space la emoyeni, la emoyeni kungaba khona noma yini, nanoma yini nga-occupy space. Akukho ukuthi la emoyeni uzothi yini, it just that the essence of what you are, just the pure awareness that has no form. Uayizi uthi molweni ekhaya ake sizwe i-reality yini yona leyo. Ya sizoyibamba nje kahle eyes. basically angithi njengoba ngisho ukuthi-ke i-reality ukuze ukwazi ukuyi-understanda ukuthi yini futhi isebenza kanjani, kumele uqale u-understand ukuthi wena uyini wena, yabo, because there is no reality without you, yabo. Okay, asiqale lana-ke, asiqale kwintweni physical, i-science, asiqale lapho. Do you know ukuthi, okay, asikhulume nganakho umzimba wakho. Umzimba wakho njengoba unamehlo, njengoba uney'ndlebe, njengoba unelokhunjani, une-skin, yabo, unama-senses awu-5, angithi kulama-senses awu-5 kunama-receptors, yabo, kunama-receptors that are receiving the signal, the electrical signal. Bese ingqondo yakho lo signal leyo, lo electrical signal ishintsha iyenza kuba ilento wena othi uyayithinta noma othi uyayizwa noma othi uyayibona. But basically ake sikhulume ngamehlo nje. Amehlo kukhona i-light. Le light, lama light waves eza la, yabo, kwi-optic nerve, yabo, eza la. Then mayeza la, lama light waves lawo, i-visual cortex la emuva iyona ethatha le information le. Amehlo awaboni lutho amehlo. Amehlo a-receiver ama-light waves, hhayi ukuthi amehlo a-receiver i-information bese yayi-decoder, no, a-receiver ama-light waves amehlo. Anama-receptors. Amehlo akuwona ashoyo amehlo ukuthi ubonani, akuwona amehlo ashoyo. Lokho asi-understand. Siphe sihle, molo siphe sihle, ngiyakubingelela ngani yakwethu. Amehlo akuwona ashoyo ukuthi ubonani, ne? Into eshoyo ukuthi ubonani ingqondo kwi-visual cortex. Shuthi kufike amehlo a-receive ama-light waves bese ingqondo la, i-neocortex izo-interpret ukuthi what is this, bese iyabuya into iyayi-projector futhi again, bese kuba ngazuthi wena ubona something. Lento lena isi-interpretwa ingqondo, yabo, lento oyibonayo, bese ingqondo iyayi-projector futhi yona again. So ukubona akwenzeki lapha ngaphandle, ukubona kwenzeka la, yabo, kwenzeka la. In fact ke akukho lutho laphaya ngaphandle. Laphaya ngaphandle kunama-wave potentials lapha ngaphandle. Yonke lento oyibona laphaya ayikho. Yonke lento oyibona lapha ngaphandle ila engqondweni. Ingqondo yayi-interpreta yonke lento. Mawumele uzwe ama-receptors la endlebeni azothatha ama-airwaves. Ama-airwaves awayise straight engqondweni. Ingqondo bese iyona ingqondo enikeza i-meaning yayo yonke lento le uthi wena oyibiza nge-reality, ingqondo. Lapho ngikhuluma ngani ngokwe-science ukuthi uzwa kanjani, i-process eyenza ukuthi uzwe, but angeke seze i-science ayikwazi ukudetermine i-subjective experience ukuthi ubani lo obona umuntu. Ayikwazi i-science ukuchaza lokho. I-science izokuchazela ukuthi ubona kanje, this is how you see, but ngeke ichazele i-science ukuthi i-subjective experience iyenzeka kanjani. Anginjani manje there is someone obona changes phambi kwakhe, kuyaziwa i-process yokubona ukuthi isebenza kanjani, but that someone othola le experience yokubona changes, i-science ayikwazi ukumdefine ke loyo ukuthi ubani, yabo, ayikwazi ukumdefine. I-science kunama limitations, so iyakutshela ukuthi ubona kanjani. So bese iyothi i-science ke kwi-universe ku-empty there is 0.000001 matter into yakhona, u-0.000001 something, but into yakhona, but okungekho is 99.9999999 empty in the universe. The universe is made up of nothing. Everything that you see is you, is your mind. Ngokwe-science la safuna ukuqalela ngento e-proven, yes, into e-proven first. Angakafuni ukungena kwi-spirituality, sikhulumela nge-science nje. mafeja ukuthi that is why amehlo mawavalile uzwe umsindo emoto wazi ukuthi imoto exactly. Yes, ngithi uyayibona futhi lokho imoto bese mhlawumbe ube nane picture yemoto. Look-ke angeke okay, look-ke angeke amehlo akho aze ayibone into engabonwa ingqondo yakho. Yes, sengifuna sithi kuba advance kancane manje. Yabona mangase udukelwe esixukwini umuntu ogqoka ingubo noma ugqoka i-shirt eliyelo. Yes, aduke ebantwini abaningi. Into ezokwenziwa ingqondo yakho lapho, into ezokwenziwa ingqondo yakho izofika icabanga ukuthi lo muntu ubegqokini ngenhla, ubegqoka ukhala onjani, iwuthatha ingqondo lokhala iwubeke la. Ingqondo izovala bonke ukhala, ifocus kukhala oyelo, izofocus kukhala oyelo kuphela. As a result ngeke uzubabone bonke laba abanye ukhala ngoba ufuna ukhala oyedwa, ngeke uzubabona. But amehlo azobe edlula kanje ko red, amehlo edlula ko white, amehlo edlula ko blue, kodwa ubaboni. Kodwa the only thing that you will see is yellow. Ayizwa lonto, the only thing that you will see is yellow. Ngishilo ngathi bafethu ngicela ning assist mawuthi mhlawumbe network yami is not proper, is not good, ning alert. Yayizwa lonto because namhlanje sizokhuluma into mhlawumbe ezosiza abaningi. So asidluleni ke lapho ke sengikutshelile ukuthi amehla waboni, indlebe azizwa, amakhala awahogile, ulimi alitaste, umzimba awusense. All these things are happening here. Ingqondo yakho inama regions oku-interpreta yonke lento. Inama regions. I won't go deeper ke kwi-science yonke, ngize ngiyongena kwi-neurology ukuthi what is happening in your brain. Ngeke ngize ngene kulokho deep, yabo. But kumele ukwazi nje wena ukuthi i-nervous system iyona nto experience ayo la emhlabeni. That is a tree of knowledge, that is a tree of good and evil, the nervous system. Because the nervous system is the whole reality. The nervous system iyona wenza ukuthi uphile impilo njengoba uphila nje. We are only experiencing the nervous system. We are only experiencing the electrical waves, the electrical impulses that are going to your brain. That's what is happening only. Yonke lento ibonayo ayikho ngaphandle, ikuwena ngaphakathi yonke, ayikho ngaphandle. Ngisakhuluma nge-physics. In fact ngisakhuluma nge-biology ke mawuthi ufuna ukukubiza nge-biology. Sawubona wesiya. I-nervous system le ehamba la spinal cord sakho ize la straight la bekhona brainstem olokhungana and all those things that la. I-nervous system umuntu nje ophelele i-spinal cord ilento le, i-nervous system lehamba ku-spinal cord, ama-neurons aletha i-information bese ingqondo yayilokhunga. Ngifunani uyabona ukuthi lesi sigaxa lesi isona esiphethe yonke into, isona esiphethe yonke into. Yayizwa lonto. Hello Lunchbox T, hello, I greet you and I welcome you. Hey asizelana i-reality yazi ukuthi i-meaning, the reality, the consciousness is a meaning. That is the whole reality, is the meaning, yabo. Because into ezokwenzeka wena, all this information we are gathering, all this information that we are gathering, it is shaping the way you think, that your worldview, your beliefs, your ideologies, all this information that you are collecting with your nervous system. Ukuzwazi ukuthi wafika washo ongazi ukuthi umlilo lo wayezwa ngendlela kwathi lokhu umlilo lo, le imoto le indlu le, yonke le information you collected it, and reality is the meaning. Yayizwa lonto, it is the meaning, that is the reality now. You collected it. When owakho you collect information with your 5 senses and you make meaning in your head. Yes, you collect the information, you make the meaning in your head. That is where the headquarters are. That is where the headquarters are, here. So all this information that you are collecting and making the meaning of, it is the reality. And this is okwenzeka. All this information is stored to your subconscious mind. All this information is there is a storage. Yes, you are taking in everything. Konke watshelwa wena wafika la ungazi lutho, wafika la ungazi fokon, wafika ungazi lutho, you were blank, but bafika wafika ungazi lutho, bafika wathatha ini information, wayithatha information ngalama senses akho awu5. Kudepende information or information, in fact let me not say kudepende information wayithatha, kudepende meaning owayakha la kule information owayigatherisha. Sonke ngokwama senses ezingokukhlukana kwethu sayigatherisha information. Kudepende, sengikhuluma ke manje, angisakhulumi ke manje ngento eningi, sengikhuluma ngemeaning ke manje, because I said the reality is the meaning, because the meaning is happening where? In the brain. The meaning is happening where? In the brain. So something that is abstract, something that is abstract, ukuthi nanga umuntu kwenzeka ukuthi kuyena bese kufika umuntu athi njengoba kwenzeka ukuthi kulo muntu ingenxa ukuthi wenza ukuthi, bese wena uyayithatha lonto leyo uyayifaka la engqondweni yakho. Lonto leyo usuyibhale kwi-subconscious leyo nto, usuthathe ini input ne, lo input osuyithathile usuzoproduce i-output, and the output yini, it's the way ozo reacta ngayo emhlabeni based on the information osuyithathile wayifaka la kuwe. Yes, ngoba indlela owenza indlela ocabanga ngayo, indlela owenza ngayo izodetermine indlela ocabanga ngayo, nendlela owenza ngayo izodetermine futhi indlela ocabanga ngayo futhi again. Angithi kuzofika ucabanga bese uyenza, ama results alapho azokunikeza feedback ezokwenza ukuthi ucabange exactly ngale ndlela le uthole ngayo ama results, yabo. So the results owathola empilweni yakho, they are fitting into your mind. The results are fitting into your mind. Ileo hypnotic rhythm esukikhona based ukuthini, indlela ocabanga ngayo nendlela owenza ngayo indlela wena owakhe ngayo i-meaning la engqondweni. Le reality oyibonayo akuyona into yanamhlanje, kusekudlala i-storage subconscious owakhuliswa ngayo, nezinto ezithathile nama meanings owakhile nama world view akho, iwona ke akunikeza le reality le oyibonayo njengamanje empilweni yakho. Ngithi ayizwa lonto, sonke singayithatha information but i-meaning ayizokufana, yabo. So uthi lapha I ijule ngempela into i-reality, and I'm thinking ukuthi it's special person, and you think, oh, I work with special persons and their reality. Absolutely. Sawubona Pinky wakadlamini, sawubona. And indlela yabo yokwenza i-meaning kwana is totally different. Okay, u-Isaac uvumelana nami kulento le, u-Isaac uyangivumela kulento engikhuluma ngayo la, yabo. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ayizi ukuthi unginikeze lo confirmation le. Okay, asihlabele imgamu-ke esangena laphana uPinky wakwaDlamini. Siyam-asharisha-ke siyam-asharisha ukuthi athethe take a seat. Okay guys-ke asihlabele imgamu. Ithi-ke into ama-headquarters uma ukuthi ala, ama-headquarters uma ukuthi ala, kusho ukuthi ukuze kushintshe yazi, ukuze kushintshe i-reality yakho, alright Pinky, ukuze kushintshe i-reality yakho kumele kushintshe ama-meanings. Yizo loo nto kumele kushintshe ama-meanings, because the reality are the meanings that you have created empilweni. Ama-meanings asho ama-beliefs, yabo, what you believe to be true, yabo. What does this mean? Ukuthi what does this mean? What it means is what you believe, ne? What it means is what you believe, and what you believe will determine how you think and act, and how you think and act will determine what comes in your life. Ayangazi ngathi angizwa kahle. I-meaning izo determine i-belief, i-meaning oyi-attachayo kunoma yisiphi situation empilweni izo determine i-belief oba nayo noma ama-beliefs oba nawo wena. Ama-beliefs oba nawo wena azo determine indlela wena ucabanga ngayo nendlela o-acta ngayo, and indlela o-acta ngayo iyona ezo determine ama-results eza kuwena. Yes. Iyona reality yakho-ke leyo. So kusho ukuthi ukuze ushintshe i-reality wena kumele ushintshe ama-meanings, ngoba cha izinto sonke ziyasehlela, sonke we take the same inputs, maybe different there and there, but i-meaning esiyifakayo iyona eyenza ukuthi kushintshe izinto. Ngoba singahlangana ne-situation engafani, omunye ngam-equipa, omunye imenze abe even worse, the very same situation. Omunye that situation ingamenza ukuthi abe star because anga-builder from what has happened, yabo. Abe star ngenxa yokuthi i-meaning ayi-attache kule situation iyona ukhetha ukuthi athi this, what can I learn here, rather than ukuthi maybe athi yena lento is here to sabotage me, is here to jeopardize me. Abeke ama-limiting meanings, ama-meanings angam-equipi, azophinda aqhuzule yitshe elifanayo futhi again, yabo. Njengoba ese-acte ngale ndlela, that is i-meaning ayifakayo, that's what he believes. He believes ukuthi okay, njengoba izinto zenzeke kanje ingoba khona umuntu ongiloyayo, okay? Njengoba izinto zenzeke kanje ingoba khona umuntu ongiloyayo, right? Njengoba izinto zenzeke kanje ingoba vele isibongo sami asiqondile. Njengoba izinto zenzeke kanje ingoba mina vele ngisenabo, ngafela abazali bami. Njengoba izinto zenzeka kanje ingoba vele mina ngisenawo sibani. Ngaleso sikhathi i-meaning ayifakayo ku-situation ne-situation ahlangabezana nayo empilweni yakhe, i-meaning engamnikeza amandla ngoba imenza abe powerless and helpless, and lokho kumenza ukuthi angashintshi isimo sakhe. Kulokho kuzomenza ukuthi angabi nawo ngisho amandla okushintsha anything, because ubelieve ukuthi everything that is happening yena uyi-victim, akanawo amandla okukushintsha lokho, yabo. Uziphuce yena amandla, yabo. So iyona leyo-ke on a greater scale, yabo, on a greater scale. Vele mina nginebhadi, kunjalo nje special, vele mina nginebhadi and all those things. Leyo nto akushiwo ukuthi iyamanga ukuthi wena unebhadi noma kanjani, iyamanga noma iyiqiniso. No, the reality is what you believe to be true. That is the reality. Asisho i-reality phela guys ayikho fixated, ayikho fixed. That is why sitheni yabona kunama-wave potential. That is why sithe thina into ekhona ama-waves eza kumuntu bese umuntu ngengqondo a-interprete ama-waves abe ilento ayibonayo noma ilento ayizwayo ngengqondo. Ingqondo izenzela kona lokho. I-subconscious mind eyenza lonto, yabo. I-subconscious mind yenza inhliziyo yakho ishaye without your conscious effort. I-subconscious mind yakho yenza ucwayize without your conscious effort. I-subconscious mind yakho yenza kukhula iy'nwele zakho. I-subconscious mind yakho is your serving God. Let me tell you, i-subconscious mind yakho is your serving God. I-subconscious mind yakho ilinkwe to the superconscious. The superconscious is the supreme creator of everything. Yes, there is a subconscious, there is a superconscious. And the superconscious iyona uNkulunkulu wakho odale zonke izinto. Kodwa wena uNkulunkulu wakho nawe. KunoNkulunkulu wethu sonke. Yes, kunoNkulunkulu wethu sonke. Bese kuba noNkulunkulu wakho. Yes. uNkulunkulu wakho akafani noNkulunkulu wami. That is why mina I couldn't care so much about uNkulunkulu wakho. Ngoba uNkulunkulu wakho usebenzela wena, nami wami usebenzela mina. Yabo? Umuntu nomuntu unoNkulunkulu wakhe. But ku-superconscious bonke labo uNkulunkulu wakho kabani wonke labo uNkulunkulu labo baxhumekeke kuNkulunkulu oyedwa, omdali wezulu nomhlaba, the infinite intelligence, yabo, that created everything, that is in everything, and that is everything. Ngoba owakho uNkulunkulu iwena lokunikeza lezi zinto akunikeza zona, because your God is your subconscious mind, yabo. That is your God, because when you believed what you believed, so what you believed is what is your reality, and that is your God, your serving God. So now I'm having my own serving God. That is why things are happening this way, because mina nginowami nami uNkulunkulu, nawe nowakho uNkulunkulu, yabo. Yini wakho uNkulunkulu is not something that is a deity or an entity. No, we are talking about uNkulunkulu wakho is your subconscious. Is your subconscious. Ngoba kunama beliefs la, kunama world view la, kunama lokho kuthatha ngokuthi kuyiqiniso wena kwi-subconscious mind. I-subconscious mind ke lempilo oyibonayo usufunda incwadi wena ebhalwe wena. That is the nature of reality. Ukuthi i-reality ikunikeza exactly what is taught in the disc here. Okuzwile wakukholwa ikona ke okwenza uhlangane nalempilo ohlangabezana nayo. That is why mina bethi nginenkani. Bathi mina nginenkani. Yes. Aba understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabo nendlela aba operate ngayo yabo. Yes. Mina I march to my own beat, yabo, and I dance to my own lyrics and rhythm, yabo. Ngendlela yakhona ngizothola izinto zami ngendlela yami. If I want to believe you, I have a choice to believe you. If I don't want to, yabo. Leli sebenza kanjalo. Akekho umuntu ophoqile la ukuthi kholwa yini ungakholwa. Ukholwa lokho ufuna ukukholwa yikona wena, yabo. That's how things work. When ukholwa lokho ofuna ukukholwa yikona, uma ukubona ukuthi kuzokusiza. Yes. Uma futhi ungafuni ukukholwa, akekho okuphoqayo. Uma ungakholwa lokho futhi akusho ukuthi khona into ezoba inkinga lapho. It doesn't work that way. Yabo, i-life ifana nanje, ifana noflower, uwenza lento ofuna ukuyenza wena ngoba indaba ila. Nanka ama headquarters lapha ekhona. Yabo? So, ngifuna ukunyusa amagiya kancane ke kule nkulumo yami engikhuluma ngayo. Ngifuna ukunyusa amagiya kancane la kule nkulumo yami. La uyabuza aje utokuzwile wakukholwa yikho ke yo size yo yikho ke okuzwile wakukholwa iyona reality yakho ke leyo ke. Iyo ke. Yabo? Fona mbuyi ngangihloniphi ibuyi dance nje ngithi ngiyayithuma ingafuni ukuthumeka. Ref B, thank you so much for the gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift, Ref P. Ngicabanga ukuthi nangu futhi laphana umsenzwana umntungwa ke loyana ngiyabona ukuthi umntungwa loya mntungwa mawufa umoya wakho uyapi ukhuluma kahle impela ke mntungwa ngazi ukuthi you are reading my mind right kasize lana umntungwa ubuza ukuthi mawufa umoya wakho uyapi uza nayo impela uma ukuthi ke angathi mntungwa futhi ngoba phela ubhala ukuthi msenzwana ngisho nami ukuthi msenzwana njengoba ubuza kahle impela I was still going to explain that yabona uma kuukuthi yabona mawusukuthandaza ukuthi ayenze intando yakho emhlabeni njengasezulwini kusho ukuthi umthetho lo we-universe othi as above so below uma uhlupheka emhlabeni uyahlupheka nako likamoya uma ubusa emhlabeni uyobusa nako likamoya yes ayikho into entsha la okay ayikho futhi into ezoba yintsha la into ezoba yintsha la iyodwa ukuthi wena uzohlukana nalo mzimba lo yes uzongabi nayo i-vehicle ozohamba ngayo kodwa into ezosala la ile conscious awareness ne umuntu i-energy e-conscious e-aware ne it's just that now what are you aware of is not that you are aware of your body right now maso sowufile uzobe ungekho aware of your body wakwayenza into azwakhohlwa nanokuthi uya exist to the extent ukuthi we are too immersed to that thing you just realize okay khona into engicabangayo umzimba you are conscious you are aware that you have the body it's not that when you are the body ne when you are aware that you have the body ne because you have to connect to the sensation of having the body ne Zothando Trio greetings family Q it's been a while Zothando siyakwemukela ngane yakwethu usijoyine impela inqola yethu ihamba ishosholoza kodwa ngoba usufikile kasikuasharishe esikunikeze indawo nawe ucaphune lokho ongakucaphuna kodwa nje ukukhela phezulu sikhuluma nge-nature of reality namhlanje esisakushilo nje ukuthi reality nakla ikhona but ke we have said mouthful you can do the catch up on YouTube changes Akasha on YouTube good people nalaba bebengazi I am changes Akasha on YouTube ngithi I use indaba so lokhu say yes okay ithi indaba uma ufa uthi umbuzo uyapi yabona ake senze kanje ake sithi wonke ama senses akho u5 akwacabanga engasebenzi wonke u5 awuzwa awuboni awunambithi awusensi wonke ama senses akho u5 engasebenzi bese umbuzo ke uma kunjalo lokho kuyobe kusho ukuthi usuphelile noku-exist awu-exist yini are you not conscious of yourself yini bese ithi into yes I'm still conscious that I'm existing even though all my senses are not there I'm still there yabo because when you are the conscious awareness you are the consciousness izinto you are conscious of them so uma ngabe uhamba wena umzimba lo uhambayo ama senses ahambayo yes kodwa wena you still exist as a conscious energy ku-energy field kwi-astral yes lapho uzobe exista khona and kwi-astral akona kwa physical world astral ika spiritual world yes akona kwi-physical place lapho la ngikhuluma ukushintsha kwe-dial akona izinto zisuka kwa spiritual kahle hle lento oyibonayo wena nje ububona kukhona into kanje lento ama waves collapsile waves have collapsed ukuze wena ukwazi ukubona lento wave have collapsed to this, yabo. So if something is vibrating higher, angeke uzokwazi ukuyibona leyo nto, ayibelongi kuphi ka physical, ngeke uzuyibona. So lezi zinto ongaziboni exista ngokomoya kuthiwa evil spirit yini lezo zinto azinawo umzimba ukuthi azivibrate to the level ukuthi uzuzibone ngamehlo. Nawe ke kuyokwenzeka into efanayo, uyobuphila kodwa ungaphili ngomzimba, ubuphila ngani? Uphila ngomoya, yezwa, uphila ngomoya. And kobe kungenzeki into entsha lapha la uzobe ukhona, kuzobe kungenzeki into entsha lapha, kuzobe kwenzeka yona lento eyenzakala la kuwena, yezwa. Lapha ukuthi uzobe usungenayo i-conscious control uyicontroller, ungenayo i-conscious control ukuthi njengamanje kuzoba ngcono, njengamanje uzobe ubona yonke unresolved emotions that are attached in your subconscious. Yonke into ela kuwena njengamanje ongadilile nayo uzobe uyibona kwi-astral, izobe i-energy, uzobe udila nayo whether you like it or not, kodwa uzobe usungenakho ukuthi uyifihle. Kufanele ukuthi ususewodini lakho kanje ubhekene nale energy oyiholdayo njengamanje. Uma ukuthi une-grief, une-anger, une-shame, une-apathy, une-fear, onke lawo ma-emotions lawo, uya-jealousy, yonke lawo ma-emotions, you will have to face them. Azobe eseyini-ke ama-emotions phela nawo ama-entities nawo lawo without a body. Uzobe usukufacea-ke lokho kwi-astral njengoba usukubhekene nenunu, njengoba usukubhekene nesilwane, into uzobe uface i-energy yakho kahle hle wena ongadilanga nayo sesemhlabeni. Kodwa angizobe sokuwumoya to moya, angithi obe sokuwumoya to moya lapho. Lama emotions akho awu-entity, awumoya wayiwona, lawa abhalwe i-subconscious yakho njengamanje. And uzobe udila nawo laphaya, uzobe ngekho, bonke labantu bayobe bengekho, labantu laba oyikhohlisa ukubona, uzenza ngathi uthi unenhliziyo enhle, uzenza ngathi uhappy, uzenza ngathi uthi awukhali, uzenza ngathi awunayo ilast kanti uyakhala, uzenza into izobe ingekho into okuzenzisa. Uzobe ubhekene nawo man to man, as bese lezo zinto zizobe ziza kuwe as njoba ziwumoya nje lezo zinto. Uzobe udila ne-energy yakho ngendlela engenakho ukushona lena le. Yazi ifana nani lento? Yabona umuntu udila nobuhlungu, yabona umuntu odila, mhlawumbe odila nani? Odila nezinto eziningi empilweni yakhe. Uthola ukuthi maye phambi kwabantu emhlabeni ahleka, uyazenzisa, kodwa uthola ukuthi yabo maselala seyedwa khona into esho ubhekana nalezi zinto ngqo, abhekana. And kubuhlungu omunye ukuvela khetha ukuthi avela la ledakiwe street, yabo kubuhlungu, akafuni ukubhekana nalama emotions man to man ahile. So iyona into ezobiyenza kwi-astral ukuthi uzobe ubhekene ne-energy yakho oyiholdayo la, iyobe isiphenduke as a monster kwi-astral. Sekumele udile nayo as a monster, ubhekene nayo i-negative energy ke. Uzobe lezi zinto lezi uma ungadilile nazo manje, ama-emotions akho nama hidden fears and your hidden whatever emotions that you have to, ama-attachments, in yonke lento, ama-desires, uma ungadilile nazo zonke lezi zinto lezi zizokufacea. Uzobe usumoya, uzobe uyi-energy, awu-exist as a body kuphela la. When u-exista as a spirit, ispirit leso yisona, uzobe exista as uyisona, izobe ingekho physical body. So kuzobe ku-emotions to emotions, yabo. And kuyafana nokuthi ubhekene ne-animal, ngoba now you are facing your emotions in a very, you have to feel them. The energy that you are holding, it has to eat you, yabo. It will be eating you. It will be eating you, the energy that you are holding now. So don't ever think ukuthi umuntu osefile efele osizini uphumula. Akuphumula la. I-energy abeyiholda la emhlabeni, i-subconscious mind yakhe iyona energy ezobe imudla lapho iyobe imudla khona, yabo. Kodwa kuzobe kungesho ukuthi khona izinto ezizilwane kwi-astral noma khona izinto ezizabisayo, kuzobe still kuse-projection ye-subconscious mind yakhe, izinto ezibhalwe kwi-soul yakhe, ama-desire, i-lust, ukhala, yini. Lezo zinto lezo uzobe bhekana nazo in real time. Ikona kuthiwa ngale kwethu nawo ukuphenduka, yabo. Akukuphenduka ngobani? Ayikho into kuzobe kusebenza i-soul. I-soul ke i-subconscious iyona ezobe ithatha iy'nqumo, yabo. Yikho nje ukuthi ngiyaye ngithi umuntu eyibulele ukuthi inhliziyo yakhe ibuhlungu, ayibulale, ibuhlungu inhliziyo, lowo muntu loyo usuke efana nokuthi uyagodola kodwa ukhipha ijezi, uyaqimba, yabo. Yena kodwa ucabanga ukuthi wenza izinto zibe better, kanti uzenza zibe even worse, because the very same emotions that amenze ukuthi ayibulale, at least ube ne-chance yokudila nawo ngokwakhe meaning entsha asende on top of these emotions amenze wayibulala. But yena wadecide ukuthi aziphuce amandla okwakha isimo esingcono, wakhetha ukuthi lama emotions ahambe nawo, yes, ngoba akawashiyi phela, uzohamba nawo. Wakhetha ukuthi ahambe nawo lama emotions, ayomudla nje infinite times more than kade mudla la. Lento kade mudle la emenze wazwayibulala iyomudla laphana ke esengena control ukuthi athi hayi, the situation is going to be better, yonke into yenzeka ngesizathu. No, kuzobe sekusebenza umthetho we-subconscious ukuthi now i-energy, you are getting the energy that you are feeling, the energy that you have, you are just feeling it, you are not doing anything with it, you are just feeling it. Ikona ke kuthiwa ushingu naphakade, ikona kusha-ke lokho ukuthi you'll be feeling your energies, that the reality you are going to get, you'll be feeling your energies in the real time. Awunayo indawo lozo uploada khona, awunawo ama-coping mechanism ozobunawo. You have to feel it until isoul yakho yenza ezokwenza. Kunama stages. We don't know ukuthi from that stage uzobuyela kanjani. Ungayofunda obhado ukuthi into ekuthiwa obhado, no, like zikhona lezi zinto in Tibetan Book of the Dead, ohamba ufunde leyo into leyo, yabo. Ngizwe ngaleyo into leyo, Tibetan Book of the Dead, the whole process. But into eyiqiniso ke la ekuyiyona ukhiye la ile yokuthi kwi-astral masofile usuyi-energy, uzobe ubhekene ne-energy oyiholdayo njengamanje. Uma ucabanga ukuthi wena kunzima ukuphila, kunzima emhlabeni, ungacabanga ukuthi uzophumula masofile, ayikho leyo nto. Uma ucabanga ukuthi wena mhlambe ucabanga ukuthi wena nje uyi-victim, and all these things abantu abanawo, lama meanings abanawo, that energy iyona into emenza ukuthi asafarishe emhlabeni. Don't think ukuthi uzobusa ezulwini, ayisebenzi kanjalo. Wena, to free yourself, do meditations, yes, clear your mind, because njengoba kuthiwa ayingeni imithwalo, akukhulunywa ngemithwalo lana e-physical, kukhulunywa ukuthi ayingeni imithwalo ngendlela ukuthi imicabango, the thoughts, the desires, the energy in motion owaholdayo, onke le baggage yama-desires oyiholdayo, azingeni lezo zinto, imithwalo leyo. Lezi zinto zibambile ezikwenza ukuthi ungafuni ukufa namhlanje, izona zinto lezi kuthiwa azingeni. Ngoba akekho la ongavuma ukuthi nje manje masithi yifake manje, angithi wena uya-enlightened, uyazi khona ekhaya la, ekhaya lisezulwini. Ngithi ikhaya ezulwini nakhona kusho spiritual domain, yifake phela uye ekhaya. Ngithi uyasho ukuthi ekhaya kuzobe kumnandi, ngithi asikubulaleke, akekho ongavuma. Ngithi the very same sizathu esenza ukuthi ungavumi iyona into emele udile nayo-ke leyo-ke. The very same sizathu esenza ukuthi ungavumi iyona into emele udile nayo-ke, ngoba phela wena kumele ufike esigabeni sokuthi ngisho ngathiwa I can go tomorrow, I can go anytime, it doesn't matter. I don't hold anything. I'm not heavy, I'm light. That's what the Buddhist monk are doing, ukuthi hold any karma. That is the karma, because yonke lento oyiholdayo i-karma leyo ezothi come back to you, yabo. So it is what it is. So the reality that you are going to face after death, after dying of your body, the reality that you are going to face, you are not going to face something lapho astrally a object real etholakala khona. Uzobe ufacea ingaphakathi lakho, uzobe ufacea iwena, ama-emotions akho, ubuwena, i-essence, i-nature of who you are wena njengamanje. Uzobe ufacea leyo nto, ayikho into entsha lapho. That is why akekho umuntu ozosho into eyodwa la athi mefa yena kuzoba ukuthi nokuthi no. Yabo, just like njengamanje, njengamanje the reality of us are not the same. Angazi kunjani ukuba uwe, awazi kunjani ukuba yimi, awazi kunjani ukuba ngisho ningamawele, awazi kunjani ukuba iwele lakho, because and you don't share the consciousness, angithi. So even there ke anizofica into eyifanayo. I-reality is personal, yes. It is a projection, ngoba ngisho ngathi akho lutho. The reality is you. There is nothing without you. In fact, njengoba ngishilo ngathi mina akukho lutho kwi-universe, akho lutho. Universe is made up of nothing, angithi. So what is there is the projection. The only thing that is there is wave potentials. That is the only thing that is there. It's wave potentials. But ingqondo ke ngoba i-computer iyona eyakha yonke lento le. Ingqondo eye-illusion, illusive, iyona it's a hologram, it's a what do you call it, it's a simulation. Yabo, kufana nokuthi mangicisha le phone, yabo le phone nje manje icishile, ngeke ungitshele ukuthi akhona ama-file wabonala njengoba icishile nje. Awuboni ma-file la, angithi awuboni ma-file la. Mangiyiqaqa futhi le phone akho ma-file la, akho TikTok, akho lutho, akho ma-file la, angithi. Kodwa once I turn it on ngizobona ama-file, yabo. La ma-file aqhamukaphi la ma-file lawo, ngoba once I turn it on ngizobona zonke izinto lezi. Kodwa mayicishile azikho lezi zinto. Ukuze ubone lezi zinto zikhona ngoba nakho yona i-on, mayi off yona azikho. Kusho ukuthi lezi zinto azikho vele, zakhiwa yiyo le phone le, yabo. Kusho zakhiwa yiyo le phone le, lezi zinto azikho vele, yiyo zakhayo ukuthi zibe khona. So that is why nawe ke into wena ongayiboni ayikho, yes. Into ongayiboni wena ayikho ngoba ayikho la. Thank you so much, Ref B. Into engekho aware of yona, that is not part of my reality. Ayikho leyo nto, it doesn't exist kumi, yes. It doesn't exist. Something is only existing what is part of my awareness, then that is when it's existing. Even when it's part of my awareness, kuya ngokuthi ke manje, do I believe it in? Because once I believe it, it's going to materialize. That's how it works. It's going to materialize, yabo. So emhlabeni njengasezulwini ungacabangi ukuthi uma uhlupheke la ubusa ezulwini, umubusa la ubusa ezulwini. Ukubusa ke ngandza kwethu akusho ukuba nemali zonke nayo yonke into le ekhona la emhlabeni ematerial. Ukubusa ke ku-subjective, kwazi wena ukuthi uyabusa noma ubusa. Kodwa ngikwaziyo futhi uma ukuthi uyabusa kuyabonakala ke futhi mangabe ubusa, yabo. Ilento ukuthi kuthiwa ibaphuwa, kodwa ube uxhumene nomdali, umkhonza futhi umdali, kodwa futhi ubephuwa. Ayihambisani leyo nto. Wena umdali uma uxhumene naye akudisiki, angeke uze ubephuwa ngoba umdali wena umdali, kodwa in a micro scale, unikiwa ngithi amandla kwathiwa sakho umfanekiso wethu unikiwa amandla akhe. Lento ifana nolwandle, uma ngikho olwandle lolu lwandle engiluphethe ngithi wena you believe ukuthi lolu lwandle oluphethe lunamandla afanayo nalolu lwandle, into efanayo ke angithi. Nawe ke nawe uphethe amandla wonke njengomdali wadala izulu nomhlaba yonke into, the all uphethe that very same power. Nawe ke uyadala nawe ngokwakho, yabo. So nawe ngokwakho uyadala ke, i-reality yakho ke idalwe wena ke. Akekho umunye umdali, akekho umdali ukunikile wonke amandla lo udala izulu nomhlaba, ukunikile wonke amandla. Uyaxaka ukuthi ufunani kahle hle, ngoba namanje uyadala kodwa udala izinto ongazifuni, yabo. Uyaxaka ukuthi uthini lo muntu lo, ngoba isimo soshintsha amashintsho kuwe ngoba unikezwe amandla vele ukushintsha la. Hawu ayo bathi noma ngingagqwa amanikiniki ikhona ingube emhlophe, ayikho leyo nto leyo. Uma uhlupheka la uzohlupheka nale, uma ubusa la ubusa nale, ngoba ake sichaze lento esisho ukuthini. Iwumthetho othi as above so below, as below so above, as spiritual so physical, as within so without, yabo. Isho leyo nto le iyahambisana lento ethi mirror reflection, just like isibuko, yabo. Uma ngiyibuka kanje mina ngeke ukuthi esibukweni ngivele ngenye into kodwa ngala ngenye into futhi angeke izenzeke leyo nto. I-reality nje isebenza kanjalo. Lokho kubonayo wena ngaphandle vele kusho into engaphakathi kuwena. Uma uxakekile, i-situation i-tense, uhlangana nezinto ezihard consistently, kungashintshi consistently, yazi ukuthi kumele ushintshe indaba ila ngaphakathi, yezwa. Uma usuyishintshile indaba la ngaphakathi uzohlala kulo reality leyo, uzohlala kulo meanings leyo lawo, isimo sakho soshintshanga. Mase sashintsha isimo sakho uzothola lezi zinto ozifunayo, yabo. Whatever ukufunayo uNkulunkulu angakunika yonke into, because uthini uthi I create peace, I create calamities, I create disaster, I create peace. Yena, me, God, I create all these things. So ungacabangi ukuthi evil is not part of God. No, uyakublessa, ukublessa ngale energy onayo. Even that evil thing is part of the deal. There's yin and yang. It takes two to tango, yabo. So you are creating, but it's just that you are creating the reality that you don't want, yabo. So if to create the reality that you want, yini emele uyenze. Ngishilo ngathi ama-headquarters ala ayikho into ekhona. Like nakho okunye kumele ngisikuveze nge-reality. I-reality isebenza kwi-real time, yezwa, kwi-real time. I-reality ayinayo i-past, ayinayo i-future. Leyo nto leyo yini i-conceptualization leyo nto leyo, yabo. I-idea leyo nto exist in real essence, ayikho. Future ne-past azikho lezo zinto. I-reality isebenza kwi-real time. Ayikho into ekuthiwa i-predetermined ngempilo yomuntu ukuthi koba nje kumile, ayikho into enjalo. I-reality kukhona izinto ezi-infinite phambi kwakho umuntu, yezwa. So i-reality ishintsha ngalesi sikhathi oyishintsha ngaso wena. In a real time, i-reality ayikho into ozothi wena ibekiwe nje iwumgomo ukuthi koba nje, cha. I-reality ishintsha manje to the extent yokuthi yazi uma ngase ulalele, mhlawumbe ake ngithi ulalela umuntu uyapresenta, mhlawumbe udownload i-video ku-YouTube, lo muntu uyapresenta, upresenta into o-interested uyilalela, kodwa ulokhu enza into ongayithandi, yabo. Mhlawumbe lokhu ethi yabo, khona into ayenza iyakuphazamisa lento, yabo. Khona into ayenza ikuphazamisayo ngoba i-reality isebenza nge-real time. Uma uxhumekeke u-connected to the all, the infinite, u-connected to the present, to the infinite now, the God, the creator. Ngizokubekela kanjani yini le sibiza nge-cosmic library, le universal force, uchi, uprana. If u-connected lapho ngengqondo yakho uyakwazi ukucommanda lonto manje yeka lento oyenzayo. Ukuthi ivideo uyidownloadile akushintshi, uyakwazi ukumtshela ukuthi yeka lento oyenzayo. Lokho kukubiza ukuthi ukuya higher state of consciousness ukuze ukwazi ukwenza uxhumane ne-universe e-operator kwinawo, ngoba ayikho i-past, ayikho i-future. Uzomanifesta lo muntu othi akayeke lento ayenzayo eyiyeka manje. Yes, given ukuthi wena uthi video uyidownloade yasivele isirekhodiwe, i-reality ayenzeki kudala, ayenzeki, iyenzeka njengamanje. Wena uma uxhumene ne-universal force, ye-universal power ye-the now, uxhumana kanjani nayo-ke? Stop thinking, be in the present moment. Yes, uyikhuluma lento manje, ayiyeke manje, given ukuthi kade rekhodiwe. That's how the reality works. That is why-ke ngithi i-reality isebenza in the now, in the present moment. That is a quantum jumping, yabo. So mase quantum shift and quantum physics. And njengoba nje uzothanda ukukhuluma nge-quantum, amalokhu nganeni guys, ngizowafunda manje ama-comments enu. Yabona kunento ekuthiwa ama-timelines. Every time wenza i-decision kushintsha i-timeline. Every time wenza i-decision kushintsha i-timeline, and ushintsha i-timeline ungena kwenye i-timeline, and kushintsha i-reality yakho nento ebizokwenzekela, nento ebizokwehlela every time. So every time you make, like ithi into, every time you take a decision, i-universe splitter into the infinite possibilities. Wena bese uchoose lokho okufuna ukwena. Every time you have to make a choice, the universe will split into the infinite amount of possibilities. Wena bese uchoose lokho okufuna ukwena. Ayikho into ngisho into ocabanga ukuthi ngeke iziyenzeke kanjani, ayikho into engekho kwi-universe. Wena, your own consciousness is your own limitation. Yes, your own consciousness is your own limitation. Vele i-conscious mind ibekela ukukulimita ukuthi uzoba practical, ube realistic. So how can I manifest the car tomorrow? Angithi uzokuphika lokho. Yini ekuphikisayo lapho? Uphikiswa i-conscious mind yakho, ngobani? Isebenza nge-hard truth. Conscious mind it's limiting you because isebenza nge-hard truth ukuthi iyona ekulimitile. Ama-possibilities alimite wena uchoose ukungakholwa ukuthi ungayimanifesta imoto kusasa. Uchoose lokho wena. That's what you chose, yabo, based on the hard truth onayo. So every time iyona into eyenzekalayo, yabo, lapho vele we are trying to balance things. Bakhona kodwa abantu futhi abangakwenza lokho ukuthi bemanifeste imoto kusasa, yabo, based on besebenza ngama-laws of the universe. Lokho kubizani? Kubiza ukuthi abe sesigabeni esithile sani level of consciousness. Ngithi ayizo lonto. Usebenza umsebenzi omningi to the level yokuthi lokho usengakwazi ukwenza, ngoba phela kumele kubalance the left and the right brain hemisphere. Wena ingqondo yakho ithi hayi ngeke, awukwazi ukuthi ungakholwa ukuthi uzomanifesta imoto kusasa. Ziningi kangaka izinto ezikeza kuhlula. So ingqondo isebenza kanjalo phela ukuthi kumele ingqondo kumele izikholwe ukuthi lento le wena uzokwazi uyenza. Kumele izikholwe ingqondo ukuthi okay, lo lento ayicabangayo, lento athi uyayifuna lo angayenza. Ingqondo ifuna ukuthi ingqondo ikholwe. That is why nawe kumele ukuthi ufocus entweni oyifunayo, ufocus entweni, uphinde ufocus entweni ezincane ngama-results ukuthi yabona-ke kuyenzeka, ukhohlwe lezi zinto lezi ezithi akwenzeki. Why do you focus ekuthenini akwenzeki kodwa wena ubufuna kwenzeka? Why do you focus on akwenzeki while wena ufuna kwenzeka? Khohlwa lokho ukuthi akwenzeki, focus kulokho ukuthi yes I see kuyenzeka, yabo. Ukuthi I see kuyenzeka, ingqondo yakho slowly iyabeliever. Ingqondo isebenza kanjalo, uyahypnotize la, iyabelieve ukuthi this is true, and ingqondo ke izokukholwa ukuthi this one izinto uyazenza zenzeka. Ngoba kunzima kabi ukuthi ungathi wena khona into ozoyenza yenzeke ungakazi uzu-achieve ngisho into uhlezi uhluleka bese uthi khonto ozoyimanifesta nje anytime soon. Ingqondo ayikholwa vele nje ngoba iyazi ukuthi wakwenzani savuka sezwa, yabo wayekwenzani wena savuka sezwa, ukuthi ungazi ucabanga into ezinkulu kangaka uyazikhohlisa nje. Khona omunye umuntu othi uyazi-hypnotize athi I am rich, I am successful, I am free, I am liberated. Ingqondo imphikise nje, no, yabo no, ithi ayikho leyo nto. We are not all the why iphikise isebenza nge-hard truth yini cause vele angithi phela wena vele ufocuse ey'ntweni lezi eyi-opposite nalento efunayo. Angithi ufuna impilo ebutepu kodwa ufocuse ekuthenini khona abantu abakushiyayo, ufocuse kubangani bakho ukuthi they are successful, and ingqondo yakho iyakutshela ukuthi wena usele ulandela ngemuva. Angithi stick to your own lane because you create your own reality. You craft i-reality iyacraftwa, yabo, you do the handwork, you craft it and then you present it. Akekho umuntu, nobody is going to help you. You're going to help yourself with your own mind. Nobody. Uma libuhlungu lelo qiniso lelo, angazi, I don't know, but liqiniso, whether you take it or leave it, akekho umuntu ozokusiza. That is why akekho umuntu o-investigator ukuthi kungani no-zero balance ebank, kodwa once wanama-millions, they are going to investigate you. Where did you get this money from? Why? Because your suffering and your problems are your own responsibility. Akekho umuntu ozohambe ezo-check ukuthi why you are suffering, why you are having no money, why is this. Akekho umuntu ozo-checka leyo nto leyo, kodwa masu successful bazokuchecka. Kusho kona ukuthi wena iy'nkinga zakho ziyi-responsibility yakho. Bazohlezi bekunika ithemba nje kuphela, kodwa bangakunika ithemba uzuke ungena emgodini izimo zingashintshi. You only going to change. That's how the reality works. What you believe is what you manifest. Because kuqala to the level of belief, kuye to the level of conviction. Kuqala kwi-belief kuye kwi-conviction. Uma seku-conviction, ingqondo yakho shut down onke ama-possibilities. Yes. Ngiyakutshela naku bethi angifake something la, bathi angifake cabanga futhi ukuvalidisa uthi, but before ngivalidise sengifunda ama-comment. Bathini lana? Hawu yabantu yindaba baqonde which of these objects can swim. This is the object that can swim. This is the object that can swim. I confirm. How? Sexual kanje manje. Yeah. Hi, good people. Can I please read your comments before I depart? Maybe if I am going to depart. Let me check your comments. Let me start there on top. Ngiyabona bafethu benibingelela uzweni evening. Uzweni hi. Bangisafunda ngama-comment but I'll go through them right now, okay? Laphana ke uPinky wakwaDlamini ubeshaya uZothando ngenkulu ihagi le. Ilapho ke la ngigcine khona mina. Sengilokhu ngithe yes bekusho ubani uPitso. Uvumelana nami uthi u-Isaac ke, like people bane-stroke, in most cases their senses fail but they remain conscious till death. Yes, yeah, ileyo nje indaba ukuthi you will remain conscious of your existing in this physical reality. Even if you die, guys, you are still going to be conscious of something else. It's just that you are not going to be conscious of your body now because you will have no body. You are going to be conscious of something else. We are the consciousness, Pelawen. We are the consciousness. In fact, the consciousness arises from you. Because you are the pure awareness. The consciousness is the meaning, it is the content. That is the consciousness. Is the meaning of what are you conscious of. yabo. What are you conscious of? Because when you are the pure awareness, that is where we are trying to revert to. That is God. God is pure light, pure awareness. Astral projection is possible ngempela. Kusho unina lapha uyabuza unani ubani nanini upitso uthi i-astral projection. Yes, astral projection, yeah. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Astral projection, yes, possible nje, kodwa angithi konke kulele la psychic abilities and all those things. Kodwa meditation is steps sokuqala nje ukclearisha nje izinto eziningi. Intando yakho ayenziwe emhlabeni njengasezulwini. Yebo kunjalo nje. Yeah, bafethu ngishilo-ke ngathi uma kukhona ufuna ukurequesta ngiyamthatha uma ekhona mhlawumbe umbuzo wakhe mude kakhulu awubhaleki la, noma uyanqena ukubhala uma ufuna ukwenzani noma ufuna ngizomthatha, but mangiqeda la ama-comment nginga-requesta nje uzohlala la ezansi. Uma engekho-ke futhi kuyobe engekho. Don't forget to double tap the screen. Niyezwa guys, ningakhohlwa nangu esho uzothando. Ya uthi uNolzi, I hope angikho late makhulukhulu. Umakhulukhulu weNolzi upungane wadeba umakhulukhulu. Ngeke ngazi phela ithakazelo mina angikho good, kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi khona ngiyabonga we-Precious, ngiyabonga kakhulu nge-gift. Ngiyazi ukuthi mina phela ngusithola ngithi uJobe kaMatshana, umsongo wensimba ethwala ekhanda ukuze amagwala ambalekele. Umhleli wey'ntaba zondlini okhahlamba, unyama kamaqoqo bayedla bayidonsisana, uqikazi kagabela. Abathembuke labo baseGobazi, uMaphitha, uMondisi, uMatshana. So yimi loyo. Angazi-ke noma yangena noma khulukhulu, ngoba ngiyengizwa abanye bekhuluma ngomthetho futhi unyambosi khona lapho. Ayike uma ukuthi ube late-ke mhlawumbe kuningi sesikukhulumile, le nkulumo ibamba ku-YouTube, Changes Akasha on YouTube. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe mfethu, ufike ubuke nje kuphela ungasubscribe. Ngiyacela ukuthi usubscribe phezulu, ngiyacela please, cela ngenhliziyo yami yonke ufike usubscribe. Kungakhulu ama-viewers nje kodwa ama-subscription angakhuli. Ngiyayizwa indaba. Ngithanda ushare futhi lento lena, uyishare ngithi khona so abantu izinto ezimbi bayishare zize zigcwala umhlaba wonke, sibe ne-collective reality negative. Kodwa izinto ezinhle kufuneka silo siyigugushela-ke, zona siyigugushela, asiyishare nazo. Mina nje labantu engibabona beshutha ama bepha abantu anginandaba mina, angibagxeki futhi. Ma umuntu uthola ukuthi uyashutha upha umuntu, angibagxeki, anginandaba. Why? Abantu bayakwazi abantu ukushutha benza into esangene, sithelelane ngento esangene, umuntu angqubuza intombi yakhe ayibulale, ubone the whole country sebebulala intombi zabo beyingqubuza, sebethelelane nge-collective reality, i-collective consciousness yezinto ezinegative. Kodwa makuthiwa ushutha wenza into enhle kuthiwa ufuna ukubuka, if you feel like you want to capture that moment, you can capture it. Uthelela abanye khona bazoyibuka ngelinyiso, yabo. So ngiyacela ukuthi nishare nje into zami nje eniyibona ukuthi niyazithanda, ninga lo nama-page ami, nama-video, na-YouTube, yabo, into efana nalezo. If you feel like, but angithi ayibo lonto, if you feel like singakhohlwa njalo i-human design ngisawa-read ama-charts. Inamba yami uyithathe kwi-bio, singakukhohlwa lokho. You want to know more about yourself, the energies that you were born with. You want to know the energies that you were born with. You want to know the energies that you take from your environment. Let me read the chart for you. Thank you so much, ARFB. Thank you so much. Book the reading with me. The number is in the bio, or oyazi inamba ngayibhala la ukuze ngibone ukuthi are you listening bantu abams. Thank you so much, are you listening bantu abams. Ngayibhala inamba. Okay, ake ngehle nawo-ke futhi ama-comment once again. Manje kwenzakala kanjani ukuthi ispirit somuntu sibuye singene kophilayo? Spirit sibuye singene kophilayo. Le wemafetshe kuyenzeka ngithi umuntu uba like isoul yona esathi inqumo. Ake ngithi nje wena ulapha kwi-astral noma uphila lapho kwi-spiritual world, uyi-entity. Angithi uphila as an energy, uyi-entity. Then you still have an unfinished business le move, angithi kwi-physical reality. Then if your desires were too strong, you were too heavy, yabo, you were too heavy. Abanye ke mina ngaze ngisibona isipoki, but ngaze ngafinyela kwi-conclusion ukuthi that is how abantu bepoka ngakhona, because they are too heavy ukuthi bengangabonakala. Then the vibration lowers until they manifest as a human. Sibabone bebe sebashona, sibabone ngenxa ukuthi they are too heavy ukuthi bengahlala lapha yakuphela. Kodwa uyabona njenge-steam uma siya lapha phezulu siba amafu, mase sekusinda kakhulu kuyavuleleka kuba amanzi, into enjalo-ke, yabo. So if you are too heavy now to stay kwi-astral, we are too having that desires, too negative emotions, then we are vibrating lower and lower till uzubonakala bese uyapoka. Mina that is where ngafika kuleyo conclusion leyo, we are too heavy. So omunye ke engasebenzisa indlela eziningi, ngithi omunye engasebenzisa ukupoka, omunye engasebenzisa ukungena entweni interact ne-consciousness yomunye umuntu. Angithi usafuna ukuqhubeka, akafuni ukudedela, ufuna ukuqhubeka yena nomhlaba, akafuni ukudedela ukuthi okay isoul yakhe ayifuni ukudedela. Maybe it was too attached, ngoba inqumo ayithathwe yena, inqumo sithathwa isoul, i-subconscious, yabo, ithathwa isoul, subconscious. Nakhona phela eziningi izinto ongayikhuluma ngendaba yakalokhu ngani yaka-spiritual world, kodwa yena adecide ukuthi lento ifana nani, ifana nomuntu ozothi eboshiwe enze njani, angafuni ukushintsha lapha ejele, angafuni ukushintsha ukuthi ngiboshiwe, angishintshi indlela zami. Yena azame izinamba, azame amafoni, azame izinamba zabantu abangaphandle, afuna ukuqhuba umsebenzi wakhe manje ukukhohlakala, ekuqhuba ngefoni ke ngaphakathi, ekuqhuba kubantu abangaphandle. Naye ke lo kuthi ungena kubantu esebesashona, naye into efanayo ke la yenzayo, naye ufuna ukuqhubeka nezinto zakhe nema-attachments akhe through uku-interacta ne-consciousness yabanye, yabo. Umuntu azizwe nje cabanga umsangano, kanti yilento lo, yilo muntu lo, yabo, isoul yalo umuntu azizwe nje feba kakhulu, into engaziwa, ayiyeki nje ngoba iyaluma kuphela, angadlula skate, kanti kumanifesta nangiloya usafuna ukuqhubeka, yabo. Manje akanawo umzimba, angithi. So ingcansi into enjalo, angithi lo uboshiwe bekumele ubhekane nento zakhe a-transforme, kodwa yena udecide wenze njani, udecide ukubypassa lokho, kodwa for how long ke? Ngiyabingelela ekhaya, ngilate revelation. Alright, awukho late, right? Uyazi nawe uzoyifica ku-changes akhasha le mpahla, yabo, ku-YouTube. Uthini Lunchbox T? Ngizobe ngenzani changes engifile, ngokwenzani ufile, kazi bengithini-ke la we-Lunchbox. Ne uyavuma-ke laphana, ubevuma isibingelelo ebesiqhamuka ku-Revelation laphana, uzothandwa. Ithini-ke lento ye-abortion, and ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi if you abort lelo cala ungalikhokha yini, usala. Ayikho into ongeke uyikhokhe usala. Ayikho into ongeke uyikhokhe usala. Alikho icala ekuthiwa lithethelelwe. Ungezwa abantu bekukhohlisa. Kodwa ke kumele sibuye sibukeke phela ukuthi nawe ukwenza like usho kahle uma ukhuluma ngokukhokha. In fact akekho umuntu osuke ekuphanisha, kusuke kubuya i-energy nje wena oyisende out, ne? Ikona kukhokha ke lokho, ikhama ke leyo. Kusuke kubuya i-energy. Umuntu uvela ayitshela ukuthi uyahlukumezeka kanti cha kubuya i-energy abeyisenda out yena. Yabo? Negative vibration yona ebuyayo. So ngalokhokha ke icala. So lokho kwe-abortion ke mfethu into ekumele uyazi, angithi ngokwe-human design thina siyasho ukuthi umuntu kwi-trimester ila khona esenza njani, kwi-last trimester ila khona sengena i-consciousness, ila khona sengena i-consciousness. Kusuke kuseyi-design, kusuke kuseyi-body nje. The first 6 months kusuke kuseyi-body nje, kusakhiwe i-body. Umuntu ungena the last 3 months emzimbeni womuntu according to the human design ke le engiyifundile, yes. So the last trimester, that is why sinama-charts awu-2 mase-graded i-charts. Kune-charts le-design elomzimba, consciousness yomzimba. Kune-charts le-personality ukuthi-ke yilokhu-ke wena-ke consciousness, yabo. So izinto eziwu-2. So wena musu ubulala umzimba, but akushintshi ukuthi wena we are defeating the divine will. Kuzomela ufese lo music, even though wena you did not kill the consciousness, you killed the body, the vehicle, but ekugcineni that was God's plan. It's a God's plan ukuthi eze lo muntu la emhlabeni. Yabo? Wena ngokuba limited kwakho ke wam-aborta, still it's a God plan ukuthi kwenzeke kanjalo kuyena ingakangeni i-consciousness, yabo. Kusuke engakangeni umuntu, kusuke engakazi ukuthi isoul kabani lezo ngena lapho. Ukwazi lokho, kusuke engakazi ukuthi isoul kabani ezongena. In fact angingasho ukuthi kusuke engazi ukuthi isoul kabani. Isoul isuke ingakangeni, let me end it there. Isoul isuke ingakangeni ku 6 months, ingena the last 3 months, yabo. So umzimba usuphelile neo-cortex yonke into isuke isi-right. Phela lento le kumele ukuthi iqale ibuildwe iphelele ukuthi ingakwazi ukuhost i-consciousness, yabo. Angeke ukuthi kuqale kube i-consciousness iqala. Akuyona i-consciousness iqala. Qala kube i-body. I-body ke nayo yakhiwa from what? From bona abazali, ngithi umzimba wakho from bona abazali, i-DNA yabo still nalapho. So kuseyi-energy yabo still. I-body nayo iphuma nayo vele iphuma inawo njengofuzo nje. I-energy vele leyo esila emzimbeni esuka kulama-body parents lawo already uzalwe nayo, without ukuthi sikhulume nge-consciousness. Ethi leyo, okay. So i-abortion ke mfethu usazowufesa nje lo music walokho kuma phambi kwe-divine plan in one way or other. Ukuma endleleni ye-universe. Ebese kuthiwa ke lapha noma ngigqoka amanikniko ile kade ukhuluma ngayo uthando. Hey, imigwaqo yegolide, welokhunja wenanini, imigwaqo yegolide. Ngiyacabanga nje usuhamba emgwaqweni wegolide, usuphethe ivrupha izobhreka kanjani emgwaqweni wegolide. Oshibilikizi yoshaya o-guardrail besiliva. Yabona nje lento uma i-literalize yonke uyabona it doesn't make sense. Ngathi ungavele uthenga insangu ye-1,000,000 uhlale phansi ubhema. By the way, I don't smoke anything, I don't drink alcohol as well. Ngicela ngifollow Nkosi yami, hawu bandla, ngicela nifollow uLunchbox Tea. Hawu guysini, yabona nje manje guysini, you guys are powerful. Let me tell you something. Angithi niyazibona ukuthi no-27 la njengamanje, like right now. Can you guys please follow uLunchbox Tea right now? Ngicela mina, ngiyacela. Ngiyacela nje Nkosi yami, ngiyamcelisa. Uyena owazi ukuthi why did she say that? for sure unama-intentions amahle, ngicela nimfollowini, anginikhombi, ngiyanicela. We are family, right? Nawe uzonifollowa methanda, yazi. Noma kumele ngize ngisho lento lena eshiwo emasontweni nasey'ndaweni abandlala khona umqondo ukuthi just press follow right now, the 1 million will get into your bank account. Kumele ngize ngisho njalo ngithi this problem that we are facing is going to perish. Kumele ngize ngisho njalo. Follow Lunchbox Tea. This promotion that you want, you are going to receive good news within 2 months. Kumele ngize ngisho njalo. I won't say this, man. I'll always talk the truth. But uhle kumfollowa uLunchbox ngoba ucela kahle. Hayi bafethu, msani wenze ilokhu ngani manje? Hayi senenza yini kuthiwa isarcasm. Seniyahlekisa. Umuzi okhanyayo. Hayi kudlaliwe ngabantu, hayi kudlaliwe ngepeople. Muzokhanyayo sihlabelela uwosana, asilambe, asome. Uyazi ukuthi lezo zinto zisho ukuthini? Awusalambe, awusome, abuka umini, ayibuka ubusuku, uhlabelela waya. Ayibali umnyaka, ayingeni imithwalo. Uyazi yonke lento i-true, kodwa ayisho lento abantu abayishoyo. I-true yonke lonto, kodwa ayisho lento abantu abayi-interpreta ngayo. Imithwalo akusho lokho. Ukuthi ayibali iminyaka kusho ukuthi ayikho i-present, ayikho i-past, there is only infinite now. Ungayibala uthini iminyaka, kukhona infinite now. Isikhathi sisebenza la kwa-physical phela, because iyona into ewenza sikwazi uku-create this world. But ngale ayikho, kuhlezi kuyimanje nje. Uma ngithi ngale angikhulumi ngendawo, ngikhuluma ku-spiritual domain, ukuthi asikho isikhathi, hlezi kuyimanje. Like ake ngithi nje nawe uma selihlezi likhanya nje ilanga manje la akho-wash, uyabona ingqondo yakho ngakidideke nje, akho-wash ilanga lishoni kuloku njalo nje. Ingenxa ye-movement. Once there's a movement now, time, if there was no movement, isikhathi ngaba sikho. There is time because there is movement. Yes. Ngaba yikho into ecreateka ngoba ngabe zonke izinto zi-stand still. I-creation yenza ngokuthi kube khona i-movement, vibration. Yes. That is when the time was born. Even the thinking came from that point. The movement. If there's a vacuum, we are in the now. But once you move your mind, that is where you start thinking. And once you start thinking, that is where you start creating. So the movement creates time. Space and time. So space time takes time to move from one space to the next, or one point to the next takes time. So if you don't have to move from one point to the next, there's an infinite what? Infinite space. Yeah, but there's an infinite time. Leli class idinga uliphindwa, lidinga ukuthi njani ukuthi liphindwe, kuphinde kushintshwe le reality illusion. Usho njalo ke u-Ice, uthi u-Ice kuhle ukuthi ingoma emnandi ibuye iphindwe. Singayiphinda i-Ice, ayikho inkinga. Uma kukhona okusalile nje singayiphinda. Quantum shift lapha njengokade esho uZothando. Alignment with higher version of yourself. Kunjalo Zothando. Beginner level 1. Is it possible to be a national top achiever with limited resources? Is it possible to be a national top achiever with limited resources? We are talking about which resources? Into yokuqala kule answer le ngoba uthi umbuzo, is it possible? Mase uthe is it possible ke i-answer yami ithi yes. Yabo? Ithi ke answer yami alazi ishiyanja. What is the best way to talk to God? The one with ourselves, the one within ourselves. To talk to God, the best way to talk to God. The best way to talk to God, ngaphendula ngithini? Indlela azokuzwa ngayo. That is the best way. Indlela azokuzwa ngayo. That is the best way. And uzozwa kanjani ukuthi uyezwa? Ingoba kuzozwa wena. uGod ngithi ngithe subconscious mind. If your subconscious mind ididekile ukuthi uthini, ngeke ikwazi ukukunikeza into oyifunayo. Yabo? Kumele ube clear ukuthi ufunani. State ufunani. Futhi lokho okufunayo assume ukuthi usunakho. Phila, believe ukuthi usunakho. Yabo? That is the best way to talk to God, is to act as your wish fulfilled and thank, ukubonga nje, ngiyabonga ukuthi sekwenzakalile, kholwa beyond reasonable doubts, bese uphinde focusa kuma results. Futhi don't focus ukuthi kuyenzekani. No, you focus on the process. Angithi ufike ubeka ama visions nama dreams, and then ubeka process and systems ukuthi how do you get there. Stick on the process. How do you get there? Stick kuyona nje long enough. Kuthiwa we must pray to Jesus. Where does he fit in? Angazi ngempela ukuthi fit up in terms of ukuthandaza. Engikwaziyo mina ukuthi uyashua that futhi singayivulile ka Jesus. It's a topic for another day. It's a topic for another day, guys. So kubuye sikhulume ngayo. Okay, thank you Zothando for always be a great ambassador of people remembering to tap their screens rather. Sawubona bhuti wami. Yebo, patience tutuzile, ngiyakubingelela makuthi usekhona Nkosi yami. So ihlala kuphi? Bathakathi bathatha njani from umuntu? Isoul ihlala kwi-astral, nabathakathi bayi-accessa from i-astral. Yonke lento is technological. It's a human technology nje. Yabo? Isebenza ngendlela eyodwa nje ngoba reality ukukholwa nje umthakathi nje. Na umthakathi usebenza ngakho ukukholwa ukuthi lento ayenzayo uyakhomanda nawe, uyakhomanda nje ukuthi lokho akwenzeka kanje. Uyakhomanda nje bese sebenzisa izinto ezithile akholelwe ukuthi zine energy yokumsiza ukuthi enze lento ayenzayo. Naye umthakathi usebenza ngendlela eyodwa njengomuntu ophumelelayo. Basebenza ngendlela efanayo ukuthi akholelwe ukuthi lento ayenzayo iyenzeka. Noma kanjani asend that signal nje. Yabo? Abanye basebenzisa nezinye izinto ke mhlawumbe eziyingozi ke ezikwenza ukuthi zi-alterishe i-state of mind sakho. Ayithi indlela zoku-accessa i-spirit, yonke lento uku-accessa i-spiritual world. Ziningi indlela zoku-accessa i-spiritual world. Abanye basebenzisa izinto eziningi ezihlukene. Abanye basebenzisa i-natural, abanye basebenzisa i-not natural. How do you know uma uthathwe soul yakho? How get it back? How? Okay, ngiyabona imibuzo yakho. Imibuzo yakho isho ukuthi you cannot get isho ukuthi yenza research nje kahle, because you cannot get all the information in one place. Yabo? But mina engingakutshela kona ilokho esengikushilo. Lokho esengikushilo kona engingakutshela kona. Njengalokho ukuthi ke how do you know if soul yakho ithathiwe, and how do you get it back? Lo mbuzo uyangidida. Isoul yakho ingathathwa kanjani? Ngeke umuntu ongakwazi ukuthatha isoul yakho uphila nje kanje. not unless ukhuluma ngokuthi ke ufile bakuthathile energy yakho osebenza ngayo base basebenze ngayo nje wena indlela kushuthi uhambe ngayo bakwazi ukuku-accessa yabo bakwazi ukuku-accessa mhlawumbe ubulawe yibo noma uthwetshuliwe noma kwenzakaleni yabo bazoyithatha ke isoul yakho bosebenza ngayo ke ibe i-entity nje negative nje akho rest in peace lapho so isoul yakho bakwazi ukuyithatha masofile nje abakwazi ukuthatha isoul yakho ubuphila mawuphila nje bangakudidisa nje bangakudidisa ayikho into abangakwazi ukuyithatha uphila bangakudidisa nje kuba ngazi usikhona into abayithathile bakudidisa wayinemba kahle thank you kukude ngempela kuyiwa khona ngoba nala sikhona asazi escape usho njalo ku Ice uthi i-answer imgculisile yabo impilo uphi aka comment esimbona lunchbox T I receive oh nazo ke yabona lunchbox T nangu uzweni uthe comment abakubone usewenzile umsebenzi uzweni mafethe inetwork iphuwa bengishintsha ulayini ngufaka ngala bengishintsha i-network provider ngiyabonga ngigijime nge-network provider wrong all along manje sengishintshela kwenye network provider usho ispirit wemafethe hayi nangu ke sebonga okay uthi uzwile hayi ke ngebe ithathe isoul yakho uphila yiki into abakwazi ukuyithatha kuwena uphila not unless usufileke bayakwazi ke masufile laba bagangile ukuthi bekuthwebule yabo bayakwazi bekuthwebula ngandlela athile ngithi khona abantu abakwazi ukubona abantu abalapha na kwe-astral abakwazi ukubona abakwazi ukucommunicate pure communicator nabantu asebephila as an energy abangenayo umzimba ba communicate nabo be as a soul as subconscious be communicate nabo so uma kukhona into enjalo ke bangakwazi nanokuthi bemthathe ngendlela zabo ke practically ke banendlela zabo abenza ngazo ay guys ke ngicanga unishiya manje ke mafetha uthi umuntu uyinyama umphefumulo bese angithi umuntu uyinyama right yes umphefumulo ya bese kuba umoya omuhle noma omubi yilo moya abawunjani abawuthathayo yabona guys ake ngibeke kanje lento sengivala nje mhlambe kuzogcina ngiphume ngo9 ake ngibeke kanje lento yabona nje ngoba uphila la ingqondo yakho i-receiver i-signal transmitter signal yes yona into yenziwa ingqondo yakho i-signal e-receiver kuya ngokuthi iqhamuka ngapi signal e-receiver iqhamuka ngapi iqhamuka ngakwa-yin noma iqhamuka ngaka-yang iqhamuka kwi-light noma iqhamuka kwi-dark yes so uma iqhamuka kwi-dark obviously it based on materialism izinto zomhlaba yes wangimkhripe lo ukuze afe ngithola imali angimqambela amanga lo ukuze anginikeze it based kwi-materiality lapho ingqondo yakho ingqondo ayizicreate umcabango ingqondo ayikwazi ucreate umcabango ingqondo iya-downloada from the cosmos ayinayo umcabango yokucreator so ingqondo yakho lento eyicabangayo isuke ingayicreatanga isuke i-downloadile from the space from the quantum field kube ukuthi ke leyo nto iqhamuka ngaphi from the dark side bese iya-materialize ke yes from kwi-dark side ke kuningi kokusebenzela i-dark side okuyimimoya enjani emibi engama-entity entity is a spirit without a body a spirit that is living nje without a body kodwa ukuze simaterialize sizomaterialize ngokuthi wena sikwenza ucabange lento oyicabangayo bese uyayenza lento bese ungena einkingeni bese siyajabula futhi leso spirit leso ngoba sumoya omubi yes izinto interacta nawe leyo and i-reality yakho i-soul yakho ke yabo so uma ngabe ingqondo yakho nje iya receive lento ifana nani ifana nokuthi nje ifana ne-radio nje i-radio ya receiver iyakhipha iya receiver iyakhipha i-radio ayinawo umsakazi wayo okuyona phakathi ohlezi kuyona i-radio i-receiver ama-waves asuke eqhamuka le yabo and i-tuning yayo i-radio frequency iyasho ukuthi 99.1 ama-waves lawo makuyadlala 99.5 ila Thekwini izodlala igagasi i-tune lapho ke i-tuning yayo yabo ukuthi nawe i-tuning yakho iyona ezosho ukuthi imaphi ikuphi la kwi-quantum ikuphi ozokudownloada wena bese uyakumaterialize yabo ngokwe-law of resonance uma ukuthi wena vele uya-negative person uzovele uzodownloada izinto vele ezihambisana nalokho by law of resonance uzodownloada izinto ezinjalo bese umaterialize zona uma ukuthi wena umuntu vele o-positive umuntu osebenzela ngala one-acceptance one-love is forgiving and all those things that is your state of being vele into uzodownloada izinto ezisuka ngalapho ezoguide abantu ama-angels azokwazi ukuxhumana nawe that is why kuthiwa idlozi alihlali kumuntu onenhliziyo egobile kodwa idlozi uthola ukuthi lihlala enganeni idlozi lihlala kumuntu onenhliziyo enhle and all those things so kushiwo phela wona lama maningaba ama-entity akhona ongawaboni wena i-light azoguide humanity kodwa ukuze akwenze lokho adinga abantu ngoba wanayo imizimba wona adinga abantu so ke lo muntu loyo o-vibrate high vele on the positive pole izokwazi uku-interacta naye ngoba angeke ngokwe-law of resonance akakwazi uku-interacta nama-guardian angels ebene-negative no uzo-interacta yena nani nalezi zobumnyama ezifuna ukulimitha umuntu lo okwi-negative pole yabo so wena nje ukwakha ureceive into eqhamuka it's either ka-negative noma ureceive into eqhamuka ka-positive simple bese-ke uyayimaterialize isimple nje i-binary consciousness yabo that is a binary it's either this or that izinto emhlabeni zihamba nga-2 it's either this or that binary consciousness that is why makuprogram yakusetshenziswa ubani 0 and 1 i-programming ke leyo that is why ne-gender esinayo it's 0 and 1 yayijabona uNkulunkulu uyiprograma naye hayi-ke ngiyavalelisa-ke nganza wethu ngoba angithandanga ukurequest angithi ngiyadlala yo ngazi request ngiyadlala ngoba angisenayo energy ya manje lastly ke sengivala announcements ngiba live futhi ngenxa ye-last at least ke muwazi wena mongameli ukuthi unengxaki ye-last one step closer towards solving the problem one step closer kunokungazi mungazi nje kusokuyinkinga kakhulu so ngoba uyazi unenkinga ye-last ngeke uze uyiqede leyo nkinga ngokuthi ulwe nayo uzolwa nayo ngokuthi wenze njani uyibone ukuthi iyenzeka bese wenze njani bese unga-act ngoba ama-emotions i-last ama-emotions uzowafila nje kodwa ayikho into ekumele ukuthi uyenze just feel them and observe them don't act upon them don't think further no yabo nje unenkinga ye-last okay inkinga ye-last nginayo nakho sekuyenzeka angithi usuyayazi bethi khona inkinga nakho sekuyenzeka manje ngoba uyakwazi bethi usubhekene nakho ulwa nakho i-coping mechanism ithini ngeke uzulwe ne-last ngokuthi uyi-resist no and ingqondo yayi-enjoya-ke ne uzwela nayo ngokuthi uyi-observe ukuthi there is it now, there is happening now, bese uya-check-a-ke yini ama-triggers alezo zinto, bese uzama ukubalekela ama-triggers izinto ezikutriggerishayo, wenze kube nzima nje, wenze kube nzima ubalekela ama-triggers, bese uyabuka okay nakho sekuyenzeka yini enze esuse lento. Ayikho kukhona nje nazo okay, so uthi wena mongameli uthi ayikho eyinto kukhona jealous towards my siblings. I hate that feeling. Exactly. Angithi uyasho nawe it's a feeling. Ima kuyi-feeling is an energy. Yabo? Feeling is an energy. So i-energy transmutation lesikhuluma ngayo. I-energy transmutation. Ama-meditation ayasiza-ke njalo. Ngiyelo ngishilo nje mina i-answer meditation. Wele uyenza meditation. Ngakusiza lokho. Uma ukhontemela uyenze kakhulu i-meditation. Ngoba i-meditation idila nengqondo, ingqondo i-reality. Iyophela yonke lento mangase umasterishe i-meditation, iyophila impilo emnandi kabi. Kodwa-ke kwi-meditation akuhlaleki ingqondo ihlezi izothi ngifuna umeditate mina uhlezi uzobona into ezokuphazamisa, yabona nje kube inkinga. Umhla wamasterishe meditation lo nkinga leyo uthi unayo manje iyophela lo nkinga leyo. Ngoba i-meditation usukubuka wonke umqondo odlalwa ingqondo yakho. Mhla wayazi kahle. Hawu, Lunchbox T, i-meditation ngicela ukuthi nenze your due diligence. Kodwa i-meditation nje into engingakutshela yona mina ukuthi wena usukubuka ingqondo yakho. Ngithi wena uyazi ukuthi awuyona ingqondo, but when you are what that sees the mind thinking. So okay, we are at the back, we are watching your mind thinking. Izokuthatha ikushonsele, bring it back. Ithatha ikushonsele, you bring it back. Ithatha ikushonsele, you bring it back. You focus on one point only, ungasuki. That is the meditation. Focus on one point. Bese ukwenza lokho for 5 minutes ubone ukuthi ingqondo yakho izokutshela into eyiningi, bese ubona lapho ukuthi ingqondo yakho idlala ngawo. Uzothi uthi usafocusile ibithi yakhumbula usukwethu sibanibani. Uthi usafocusile ungathi nje ngase kuqhamuka umuntu yabo ubone ukuthi idlala ngawe ke ingqondo. So i-meditation lezo zinto uzokwazi ukuyibona up until uzobona ukuthi ingqondo yami idlala ngami. Izojwayela ukuthi okay lo uyangibuka, ngoba phela how you think determines how you feel, yabo. Once wayikwazi ukuyibamba la ethi how you think, you will control your reality. Okay. Injalo ke indaba good people ke sengivalisile ama-announcement kade ngisho ukuthi kusasa it's a human design Sunday. Kusasa kuyafundwa ke kusasa, ngene eklasini kuyafundwa. Okunye futhi ma ufuna ukwenza reading, inamba ikhona kwi-bio. Ufuna ukwenza human design chart reading, knowing yourself better. The number ke to WhatsApp is 079 845 62 3962 079 845 3962. Thank you we K. Usuhlale wahlale wazi wasifollowa. Thank you so much mfethu. Nilale kahle guys. Bye you.